Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitch account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to enable two-factor authentication within your account, just tap on a profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on account settings and then tap on security and privacy. You will now see the two-factor authentication option above the password button. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on enable 2FA. You will now be asked to enter your phone number. Type in your phone number within the given box and then tap on the continue button and you will receive an SMS with a 7-digit security code. Just enter this code within the next screen and then tap on the verify button. And now two-factor authentication will be enabled within your account. And every time you log in to your Twitch account, you will be asked to enter the code to verify your identity. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.